this is Larry with Mancave Mayhem. We're getting ready to do a kayak trip. And so we're going up to Lake Mohave. I gotta go pick up the idiot though, so stand by. We're gonna have to deal with him on this trip. So hopefully you guys can handle it. Look at all this crap he's bringing.
Yeah, that's it. That is it.
I don't have that much in here, really, of my stuff.
Only half the vehicle.
This isn't a scooter trip, is it? Is this a scooter trip?
Scooter with you?
This isn't a scooter trip. We had a little problem with my truck before we got to go out on the trip, so we're here at Town & Country Tire with the sexiest man in the world. He's going to be on my YouTube channel, aren't you?
No.
Yeah. No. All right, so they're fixing it up. We're going to be on the road. All right, we are at our first stop, which is food, which should be expected, right? So we're in Barstow, and look where Wes is going. Wes had to use the potty already. Okay, Wes is taking a real long time, so I don't know what we're gonna do about him. Oh, here he comes right now. It's about time, dude. Like, it was like 45 minutes in there, and he just had to urinate. You wanna see an animal feeding? There it is right there. Yeah. He's got his granny glasses on. He wants to be able to see what he's eating because he can't see his hand in front of his face. We're just men
In a cave.
causing mayhem. Bye.
Mayhem. What's your name?
Philip.
Philip?
Phil.
He's our neighbor. He's camping next to us and came over to visit with us about the kayaks. And where are you from, Phil?
Originally from Wisconsin, but I live in Montana.
All right. Well, it's good to have you next to us and have some conversation with you. What am I supposed to admit? That I'm cooler than you? Everybody already knows that. He likes wearing sailor suits. He's into that. Now, I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with that, but it's very possible. Oh, we got somebody trying to play dirty, huh? Trying to ram me. But yeah, he kind of he's into dress up. So sometimes you may see him in a little girl dress. Sometimes you'll see him in a little boy sailor suit.
Oh, that's a red kayak.
He's into that.
A black kayak. You're so far behind me.
Look at that. Looks like a friggin' sea lion sitting on a float noodle. Yeah, Catherine's Landing is where we are on Lake Mohave. What do we want, Wes? I'm thinking it's looking pretty good. Not real busy today, huh, ladies? We touched the water. That was our first clue. So we're gonna come see Chuck. We'll see if here he comes. Come on, Chuck. That was Chuck. He likes food. This is Wes. He also likes food, yes. See? Look at that. You put anything in front of his mouth and he's gonna eat it. I wore him out. He can't handle the tough stuff. That's the way it goes, though. Mancave Mayhem. It's for men, not little boys. Wes had a bag of Mountain House from the 1960s, and it smelled like Cheetos and feet. So we decided it probably wouldn't be good to eat. And then we had what I believe to be an MRE from the Civil War. And it was chicken pesto, and I think, like I said, it was probably from the Civil War. because it tasted like belly button lint and earwax. So we're going for a third attempt.
Oh,
Wow.
oh, there's a duck.
We're going for a third attempt.
New Orleans style rice with shrimp and ham.
Yeah, we're gonna give that a shot and see what happened.
So we finally broke down, drove into town. Did you hear that rhyme? We finally broke down and drove into town. And we got Sam's Club Pizza, the meat lovers.
Let's put it this way, the pizza was running in fear for Wes. I mean, there wasn't an opportunity for that. Pizza didn't have a chance.
Well, what I would notice,
it didn't have a chance.
When I'd grab a piece and a little piece fell off, Larry said, "It's mine." I mean, he would just grab
What's
it.
that supposed to mean?
You were taking my pizza.
Oh, I don't think that's true.
My guts.
I don't think that's true.
But now we are spending the evening with a fire, and what a lovely fire it is.
It's what we like to call a dawn fire. It's not quite a dawn fire.
Not quite.
Our friend Don likes to build big fires, and he can't leave them alone. So. Hey.
How long are you gonna sit there and tape me snoring?
I wasn't trying to tape you. I am taping you snoring, and I'm tired of hearing it. I have to listen to the freaking stupid snoring all the time. It's like getting old. It's getting old. Very old.
From night comes this October morning's first light. From black the clouds part ways and neither looks back. I've been chasing the sun, I've been chasing the wrong one. I've tried time and again to pile stone upon stone, unbalance these scales. Now I'm trying again, I can finally see the reason it fails. If you're heavy then you'll never set sail. So get ready, it's time to admit you have lost a lover. Just one chapter over. Don't run for cover, and you might lose a lover, gain a friend. Blood red, the morning cut the sky and it bled. Night wept.
So we're here at Tokyo Garden in Bullhead City, Arizona, and we are going to partake in some sushi. And Wes is happy. Look at his face. I'm happy too, but I think Wes is a lot more happy because when it comes to food, Wes is the kind of guy that it's pretty much a hobby for him. I mean, like, if there were a food Olympics, and there may be, I don't know, Wes would be like a gold medalist for sure. So what's this called, Wes?
It's called the Love Boat for two.
And we are going to partake. I'm going to do a little hover shot there. Oh yeah, look at that. We're roughing it. This is a rough camping trip. Love Boat's been shipwrecked, and he's the one that wrecked it. Hi, this is Larry with Mancave Mayhem. I hope you enjoyed our kayak sailing trip on Lake Mohave. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and make any comments below that you'd like. I love getting feedback on my videos. This one was a little bit longer than I expected, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. And just remember, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thank you.
Thank you.